Digital microscopes and digital presentation. In this demonstration, a standalone digital microscope is used. The procedure is exactly the same for a digital eyepiece camera. This function is also the same for the camera on your laptop, tablet or smartphone. Multiple brands of digital microscopes and eyepieces will work with SPARKvue. The ones Cider House Tech distributes do not require any driver installation. They are plug and play. Other brands may require drivers to be installed manually onto the device prior to use with SPARKvue. Contact your supplier for the drivers if they didn't come with the equipment. Check that the digital microscope or eyepiece is compatible and installed on your computer before launching SPARKvue. Please be aware at the time of compiling this video, there are issues with Chromebooks and USB microscopes. Please contact us for more information if you have any issues. To access the digital microscope, we must first select the Sensor Data button. As the digital microscope is already plugged in, it appears in the middle column. Its name will vary by which brand of digital microscope you are using. Click on your device's name. Now select the Image checkbox. You will observe that a new template has appeared in the Templates column. Select the camera template. The microscope should automatically initialize. The image will appear on the screen. This example is of a male's face. To open the toolbox, click on the camera icon. Once the image is focused, we can press the Capture button. Now we can begin to annotate the captured image. We can zoom into the image further, if required. First we will take measurements. It is possible to change the color of the ruler. Click to where you want to measure from. Then drag your cursor to the end of the required measurement. If a known measurement is available, such as a slide scale, we can calibrate the ruler. To calibrate the ruler, click on the box at the start of the line. This will open the ruler settings panel. Here we can enter the known values of the measurement. Now any future measurements will be in the scale of the calibrated measurement. The Draw button allows to highlight areas on the image. By selecting the Annotations button, we can label interest points on the image. You can position the pointer and text box by clicking and dragging them with your cursor. Remember to screenshot the work page to save the annotations. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media platforms for the latest news, tutorials, products and promotions.